How to set up Virgin Media Wi-Fi Pod. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Virgin Media Wi-Fi Pod. So to get started, first thing you need to do is to plug in the pod. Choose a location halfway between your hub and the area with weak signal. Plug the Wi-Fi pod into a wall socket to avoid extension leads or surge protectors, and wait for the light to turn solid white, which means it's connected. So as you can see, this is solid white and this is how it should be. And after that, use the Virgin Media Connect app. Download the Virgin Media Connect app from the App Store or Google Play, and then open the app and log in with your Virgin Media account. The app will automatically detect the pod and guide you through setup. You can also use the app to test signal strength and reposition the pod if needed. Now, after that, go ahead and reposition if needed. If the pod's light does not turn on solid white, like this, try plugging it closer to the hub, wait a few minutes for it to connect, and use the app to check signal strength and adjust placement. And that is how you can basically set up Virgin Media Wi-Fi Pod.